Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So in order to do that, you will need to have the RAR or zip file on your device. I have mine in the downloads folder, and from here to unpack it, we'll need to press on the file that we want to unpack, and now press on this up arrow icon right here. Now select the destination path for your files to unpack. I'm gonna use movies and press OK. You can select any of this setting to ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. I'm gonna choose the first ask before overwrite. Keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. I'm not gonna change any of that. And now when we actually set up everything here, we can press on the OK, and our files will be extracted in the folder. So let us go back to the movies, and we can see all the 3 files that were extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.